How's it going? I'm Scott Hubbard with Sundek of Austin. We're down here at Alliance Children's Garden, project we had just finished up with TBG Partners. And I want to kind of walk you guys around a little bit, show you about it. Sundek of Austin, we've been down here in the Austin area since 1984. Sundek itself originated in 1970, and we've been doing decorative concrete ever since. This project was actually in work since 1999, is when they first started with this. It was the master plan of this Austin Park area here in downtown Austin. You'll see here, this is a vertical application that we were spec'd on by TBG Partners, and the trend for decorative concrete going vertical has kind of been a thing recently in the past few years. TBG came to us because we've done projects with them in the past. They specify us on a lot of work. We did a very, very detailed splash pad design for them out in the Houston area, and it turned out amazing, won many national awards. So as y'all can see, we're kind of walking through part of this real intricate design that we got into with TBG. This on y'all's right would be the cheese wall, and left was going to be our rock wall. And it's a very crazy design that they came up with, and when they erected these, it was, hey, is this possible? Is it something you guys can do? And we said, let's do it. We looked at the design, we collaborated with them very closely. It started with basically just striations of color that were going to be in stain with a different product. It went from, I think, 15 different colors down to 6, just to make it something feasible and something we can achieve. And then TBG came and said, we think we want something a little more artsy, a little more artistic, something fun for the kids. So it became an entire stencil project. And you can see from little geckos to all this detail work that goes through this entire wall. There's coyotes, some roadrunners, iguanas, all hidden in the camouflage of this wall, just so the kids, when they're out here, can kind of find them and see them and just, make them happy and smile a little bit. The detail that went into this, again, from those stencils to my guys out here, the crews, just hand touching up all this small little detail. It was amazing. They did a great job. TBG and the Parks Foundation, when they came out and saw this finish, were ecstatic. They couldn't believe, from the little mock-up we did, when they trusted us to do 2,500 square feet of this wall, that it could look like it does. And everyone was very happy in the end. When TBG came to us, it wasn't only this vertical application, but as you go around the park, you'll see they had a turf area which transitions a river, and we did a decorative concrete design coming through to make it look like a river. And there's also some stamped stumps that you'll see throughout the park where the kids can kind of hop across the sidewalks and entertain themselves as they're coming from actual stumps onto the concrete area back to stumps. And it's a very neat design, and TBG did a great job with the whole design of this project. This entire project was actually designed, funded, and built for the entire community of Austin and the kids to come enjoy themselves and have a great time.